How to attach Google Drive file to email. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Google Mail only allows you to share file which is less than of 25 MB. So if you have a larger file, it is best to send as an attachment of the Google Drive. But if you're confused on how to execute it, let's get started. First of all, make sure that the file in the Google Drive is shareable, or to make sure that the view access has been given to all the users. In order to do so, open your Google Drive in the Google Chrome. Tap on the three dots on the folder or file that you want to give access to others. In General Access, select anyone with the link, and you can give the access as viewer, editor. Now click on Done and then go to your Gmail. Click on Compose Mail and there you will see a sign of Drive. Tap on it and it will open your Google Drive. Choose the folder which has the file that you want to share and then tap on OK. You can choose as Drive link or attachment. After that, if you click on Insert, you're good to go. So this is how you can attach Google Drive files to your email. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.